Hello guys, welcome to your favorite channel, Genciano's Kitchen. This time we will be making a mango compote. For this we are going to use green mangoes, water, sugar, cinnamon and blender. First we must peel the green mangoes, then we chop them into small pieces and then we put the mangoes to boil for 5 minutes and add cinnamon. After boiling, we turn off the heat and let it cook for 20 minutes. Finally, we make a smoothie with a little cool water and sugar. We leave in the refrigerator for 10 minutes and that's it.